In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Outlook email. If you want to make sure your message looks polished and professional before you send it, Outlook has a built-in editing tool that makes this very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to use it while composing an email. First, go to your Outlook email inbox dashboard. This is your main Outlook mail screen, where you can see your folders, messages, and all of your mail options. Once you're there, look to the top left corner of the page. Click on New Email to start composing a fresh message. This will open the email editor where you can write the content you want to check. If you're following along, make sure the Compose window is fully open so you can access all the tools in the top menu. Now type in your text. You can enter a short test, message, or paste in a draft that you want to review. This is the content Outlook will analyze for spelling and grammar, so make sure everything you want checked is included before moving on. Next, click and highlight the text you want Outlook to review. Selecting the text helps focus the editing tool on the specific section you want to check. If you want to review the whole message, simply highlight all of the text in the body of the email. Once your text is selected, go to the row of formatting and editing options above the message area and click on the three dots. This opens an extended menu with more tools that may not be visible in the main toolbar. From that menu, click on Editor. The Editor tool is Microsoft's writing assistant, and it helps identify spelling mistakes, grammar issues, and sometimes clarity suggestions as well. It's a useful feature when you want an extra review before sending an email. After that, click on Open Editor. This expands the full editing panel so you can see more detailed feedback. Give it a moment if needed, especially if your message is longer, because Outlook may take a second to scan the selected text. Now on the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a column showing your grammar and spelling errors. This panel displays the issues Outlook has found, making it easier to review and correct your writing before sending the email. As you go through the suggestions, take a moment to confirm that each correction matches what you actually mean, since automated tools are helpful, but they're not perfect. And that's how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Outlook email.